In this question, we need to find the sum of this series. Yes. Now, what kind of series is this? We don't know, because this doesn't seems to be an arithmetic series or geometric series or harmonic series, nothing, right? So let's first write down the few terms of this series. Now we need to write down the terms from 1 till infinity, starting from 1 till infinity, right? So let the sum be s. So s will be, let's substitute n as 1 first. If n is 1, this will turn out to be 1 upon 3 raised to power 1. Second term will be 2 upon 3 raised to power 2. Third term will be 3 upon 3 raised to power 3. Fourth term will be 4 upon 3 raised to power 4. Like this, we will go up till infinity. Yes, because we need to find the sum till infinity. Correct. Now to solve this, what I did, I multiplied this sum with 3. That means I multiplied the left side and the right side also with 3. Yes, so this will become 3s. As I multiplied left side with 3, the right side will also be multiplied by 3. So if you multiply the first term with 3, what we will get? We will get 1. If we multiply the second term with 3, we will get 2 upon 3 raised to power 1. If we multiply third term with 3, we will get 3 upon 3 square. Like this, we will go up till infinity. Yes, we will go up till infinity. Now, after multiplying this equation with 3, to solve this question further, what I did, I found out the difference between this s and this s. The difference between these two s. Basically, I am subtracting two equations. Let this be first equation, let this be second equation. Now, if I subtract first equation from second equation, what I will get? Let's see. 3s minus s will give me 2s. So on the right hand side, I will write this one. I will write this one as it is. But now I will be subtracting this term from this term, because here the denominator is same. Similarly, I will subtract this term from this term because the denominator is same. Yes. So what I will get? I will get 1 plus 1 upon 3 raised to power 1. Next term will be 1 upon 3 square. Similarly, I'll find the difference between these two terms because the denominator is same. So the next term will be 1 upon 3 cube. Like this will go up till infinity. Now please look at this series carefully. What kind of series is this? Please look carefully and tell. Yes, this is a GP, a geometric progression. This is a geometric progression where we are finding the sum till infinity. So let's see what is the sum of this geometric progression till infinity. The sum of any geometric progression which is till infinity is a upon 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. So in this case, in this series, what is a? A is 1. What is r? R is the common ratio, which is 1 by 3 in this case. Yes. So let's find the sum of this series till infinity. So 2s is equals to a is 1 upon 1 minus r. R is 1 by 3. If we solve this further, we will get 1 upon 2 upon 3. So we will get 2s is equals to 3 upon 2. That means what will be the value of s? S will become 3 by 4. Yes. So what was s? S was the sum of this series. So what is our final answer? The sum of this series given to us is 3 by 4. This is our final answer.